And for the final part of this interview, we would like you to show us a few websites that you made. You know, you've said that you have very unique style of making websites, so can you show us some? Uh, yeah, of course I can, totally. Let me just try to find something real quick. There's this website I made before. Just give me a few minutes. Right. I feel like it's very weird of me to have won so many hackathons since I've participated in so many, and I won one, then the other one, and then many, many more. And then when people ask me, oh, you must be so good, can I see something? There's nothing. The thing is, I know that I can create absolutely wonderful websites, like this one, but it's not finished. And in fact, most of my websites aren't, and they aren't mobile responsive or deployed or anything. So this is why I'm starting this. I'll make the real websites, which are completely finished and are out there for people to use. So then, when people ask me if I can show something, I can. Am I working on my portfolio? Probably not. But should I? Absolutely. Now this is the time to take it seriously. Anytime anyone asks me, show some website that you made because your websites are awesome, and I'm like going completely blank, this is the time I take it seriously. I'm starting a series of YouTube videos where I'll be making my own portfolio with my portfolio websites. I'll be making series of videos where in each video I'll be showing a website that I made, and I'll be showing the whole development process from designing to fully deploying it on the web. And then I'll be making the portfolio website itself to store all of them in it. And this, I'll make sure to keep the websites extraordinary. I'll make sure the design works great, the idea is awesome, the website is responsive, and all the things the website should have. And this is why I'm starting this. So then when people ask me, hey, can I see some of your websites? I will have something to show. Wait, actually, I'll get back to you. Well, I guess we'll see what you're capable of.